Thanks for clicking on the video. I just got done with this project and I'm gonna go take it for its maiden voyage around the woods in the back. I don't, hopefully it goes all right, who knows, but here you go. This is the Ugg Buggy. I wonder why they call it that, huh? Got it off of Joe, threw an engine, small box split bus trainee in it. Did a whole bunch of some fixes here and there. Slimed the shit out of the wheels because they were leaking. Master cylinder, half-ass wired it, and let's go see what it does. Got you in the X grip here. Shift link isn't hooked up, so I just got it first. Let's see if we can start it. Works. Thanks for watching. I probably won't have much of this dumb shit on this channel, but I just wanted to share it. Got it done. Should be a fun time. Later on. Thanks. Bye.